What's up, you guys? Welcome back, and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Viair 300P. If you're not familiar with these products, they make air compressors both onboard and portable. The one here specifically is a portable, and it fills up for up to 33-inch tires. They also have for many other tire sizes. If you want to check them out, they'll be in the description box below. In this video, you'll see what's in the box, you'll see a quick how to use, and you'll also see live time of how quick it fills up 33-inch tires. Before getting started, I want to give Viair a big thank you for making today's video possible. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, let's go ahead and see what comes in this 300P when you go ahead and purchase it. It pumps it up pretty quick. I've already tested it. Alright, so the cool thing about this product, it does come in this package right here. So pretty much you could throw away that box it came in and just use this. Keep in mind, I've already tested this product out. I already know my thoughts on this product. So right now that I go ahead and open it, the stuff might be mixed up a little bit. First things first, when you open this out of here, if you also have like a soccer ball or anything like that, you can go ahead and pump it up. I would be really careful though, because these pumps are kind of quick. Here it just kind of explains to you the deflator mode. Yes, I said it right. This does come with the deflator mode, so no more having to air down your tires and be there forever. This compressor does it all. Here's going to be your nozzle. So as you can tell, it has a quick release. It has the inflate and deflate. So like I said, it's going to be a lot quicker, and this is cool because it's an all-in-one. Believe me, like I said, I've already tested this and it worked out great. I'll be honest with you, this thing looks pretty professional. Here's pretty much your compressor. What these are, they do connect to your battery, and that's why it's a pretty quick portable compressor compared to other ones that you hook up to your cigarette lighter. Nothing wrong with them, but just letting you know, you got your power and off, super simple. So to use this, it's pretty simple. So you're gonna notice this little black pin here. All you gotta do is pretty much pull it off. Super simple. You want to go ahead and get your hose. You do need two hands for this, so I'm not gonna be able to do it with one, but I'll just give you an example. You want to go ahead and pull back, put it over, and then it should clip in. So once you have the hose connected, super simple. Then pretty much over here's your hose. Here's the tire gauge, pretty much to check your PSI. Pretty simple. And then over here, I'm sure everybody has used something like this. So this is pretty much going to go onto the valve stem, and then you're going to go ahead and clip this down. I found it easiest to make sure the machine is off and then put this on. Once you have this on and this pushed down, then go ahead and turn the machine on. I found that the easiest way. Alright, so if you guys remember, I told you guys this has two functions. So pretty much you could, of course, inflate. That's what this is for, this compressor. And you could also deflate. So it makes the process a lot faster when you need to deflate. I know most of us use maybe one of these pencil pans to deflate our tires, or also some of us use maybe a razor blade to go ahead and deflate the tires. So the cool thing about this, sorry I keep repeating it, I just think it's really cool. You could deflate with this itself, and this thing's pretty quick when deflating. You guys know when using these other two utensils, it takes a good while, and you're there forever trying to deflate. Alright, so now that it's connected to the valve stem of the tire, so here it is. You just want to go ahead and make sure this is clamped down, and then like I said, you have two features. I'll show you that in a minute. And then you're gonna notice these two here. These are pretty much like jumper cables. They're not, but it looks like it. So you're gonna have, of course, the positive, and this goes to the positive of the battery. And then this is going to be the negative. This goes to the negative of the battery. Then you're also going to notice there's a fuse in between. So this is awesome, because if something goes wrong with the modem, pretty much this fuse is going to stop it, and it's going to pretty much blow the fuse. And by doing so, it's going to save your vehicle from damage. So that's awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and connect these two right now, and then I'll go ahead and show you what's next. But before doing so, I'm going to go ahead and show you deflate. Lock, deflate, lock. So like I said, awesome. So right now I have the hose connected to the valve stem of the tire. I have this sat on the section of where the intake is right now. So one thing to note, this is kind of short, so you're gonna have to set this somewhere safely, so that way when you're airing up this side of the tires, you're doing it carefully and you're not dropping it. So of course you want to connect, of course, the black with the negative of the battery, which is ground, and then you want to connect the red one with the positive of the battery. Sorry that the truck's still a little muddy. You just want to go ahead and flip the switch on. You're going to notice this section here, that's pretty much the heat sink. You want to be really careful with that on not touching it because it will burn your hand. So there's the current PSI. Pretty much I'm going to use the deflator to go ahead and deflate the tire into 18 PSI, and then I'll go ahead and show you how fast it airs back up. So if you noticed, it's only been a couple seconds and we're almost at 18 PSI. I know it's a little blurry. There it is. It's already almost at 18 PSI. Originally the truck was like at 30, 32, which I know is low. Let's keep going. So this is the time that we pretty much aired up all the way back to 30 PSI. Originally you want to go up to 35 to 37 PSI if you're driving on the road, but I'm just showing you this as an example. So it went from 18 to 30 PSI in this. Alright, just so you guys see I'm not lying, it went up to 30 PSI. So that meter that it comes with is actually pretty good. The tire gauge, it's actually pretty good. Like I said, you want to go up to 35 to 37 if you're driving on the highway or anything like that. Right, so pretty much now the part where you guys have been waiting for, my opinion. One thing to note, I usually only show you guys products that I personally would buy. Of course, every product does have a flaw, and I will tell you that in a minute. But first things first, I honestly would recommend it. Here's why. Alright, so if you have 33-inch tires and 12.5 wide, this compressor will pretty much fill up your tire in 2 minutes and 45 seconds to be exact. I know I didn't show it exactly when I was recording it, but that's pretty much what it does. It's a small compressor, but it is really powerful. They do make a lot of different ones, but this is a portable one, and like I had stated in the beginning, it's a 300P, make onboard ones. Viair is a known company, and believe me, if you guys don't know about them and you guys don't have a compressor of your own, I seriously would recommend purchasing one of these. The cool thing about their portable ones is you could literally just grab it, take it to a different vehicle, like say you own many vehicles. That's something cool about that. It's nice how professional this thing looks. It does come with a heat sink. This thing's seriously super affordable for what it offers, and pretty much it's an all-in-one. I mean, it has a deflator and an inflator. So I have used this many times already. Overall, I would tell you guys it is a good product. The only downside, and there's only two downsides actually, but they're seriously not even a big deal. The first downside would be this, which is, like I said, not really a big deal, but just be really careful with this because it does get really hot. You can burn yourself with that, but that's why they make this handle here. So like I said, that's not a big deal. Another thing that would be cool of them to offer, a longer cord for the cables. The reason why I say that is because when you try to go to the passenger side and the rear passenger, it's a little hard to place this somewhere where it won't fall over. Then you have to use your hose. So I know the hose is long enough, so that's a plus. But like I said, if this was a little longer, it would be awesome. But overall, once again, I seriously would recommend it. If you haven't heard of this company, I don't know where you guys have been. It's in the description box below. Even if you don't own a car, but you do own a motorcycle, they do offer those as well. So I know that's kind of funny, but they do offer it. Go check them out. Like I said, links in the description box below. I would seriously recommend purchasing one, especially if you do a lot of off-roading. This thing will save you. Super quick to deflate and super quick to inflate. So if you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And you guys stay tuned because usually in the endings, it's not in this video, but usually in the endings of some of my videos, I throw in the bloopers. So I'm just letting you know now. I know some of you guys have watched till the end, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys that do that. Sincerely, I really do, like no joke. And I really love reading your comments, so never stop dropping your comments. I'm serious. That's honestly, like, I do like doing the videos, but I like reading everybody's comments. I like replying to each and every one of you guys. I will always try my best to reply as quickly as possible. So, like I said, if you wanted to go ahead and drop some comments, I'm there to read them, and I'm there to reply, of course. Alright, see you guys.